Did you just feel that timeline shift? We just hopped. Everybody got on a new spot. Like that. Like, I could feel it. Everybody got repositioned, recalibrated. Where do you need to be to sync up with your destiny? Oh, baby. I woke up this morning. Visions of Ra. Visions of the eye of the sun. Certain people who are meant to meet in this space have the speed and the pace at which we're going shifted a bit so that we'll actually sync up. Have you ever thrown the brake on when you're speeding down the highway? Oh my gosh, it's like whiplash, right? No one's really getting ahead of anybody else. Although it can sometimes seem like we're falling behind or we're getting ahead. But I woke up this morning and I saw the eye of the sun. Everything we have imagined is possible in a reality that's better than anything we might ever see in front of us right now is possible. It is possible, but it's not some place we go to, but it's all already there. Every floor of the building is already there. And really, the way I see it, it's not even different floors. It's all the same floor, baby. It's all the same floor.